My name is RJ with Geiser Performance, and today we're going to be installing one of our inner clutch housing liners. In the event of your belt grenading, this is going to help mitigate some of the damage that can happen in the inner housing. Now, it's not going to be the end-all be-all, but it's definitely going to help in certain areas. Everybody should have one of these in their glove box. It's actually the secondary tool to take your belt off, but if you unscrew this tool right here is used to take off the bolts to the inner clutch housing. Now it would look a little something like this if you're going to use a ratchet. 1/2-inch socket with that in there. I'm going to cheat a little bit today. I'm just going to use the impact. For everyone wondering what the bolt size is, it's a T30 Torx. The next step, remove the hose clamp from the CVT housing. Once it's loose enough, you should be able to pop this right off. And the inner cover is going to slide right out. Now that you have your clutches exposed, look for anything in there that doesn't look right. Inspect your clutches, take this time to inspect the belt, and see what else needs to be done while you're here. Everyone always asks us if this can be done while it's on the car and while the clutches are still in. The answer is yes. It doesn't look pretty, but it definitely can be done. If you want to make the job as easy as possible, invest in some vise clamps. About 5 of them should do the trick, but it makes your life a lot easier when installing this. One thing you're going to want to do before you get into drilling and clamping is make sure you take your belt off. It's pretty simple. Just use your secondary tool. Slide it in there till it stops. And here's a little trick. Put a penny or a dime behind that, and then start cranking on it. That'll help you from marring up your secondary. There's 2 countersunk holes in the top and the bottom. These are the only 2 holes that you'll have to drill to keep the liner in place. We're going to start with a 90-degree drill. Drill right through here. The same thing on the top. Drill right through here. Set our hardware, and that's it. Now we're going to install the supplied hardware. After you've installed all the necessary hardware, go ahead, give your clutches a good look, make sure everything's good in there, reinstall your belt, reinstall your cover, and you're good to go.